Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Hasbro Power Rangers Lightning Collection X TMNT Morphed Leonardo. Guess this is from a comic appearance or something like that. I don't know. I don't read comics much anymore. But it's Leonardo, best Ninja Turtle. He was on sale. Had to take a look at him. So here we are. So yeah, let us get started on this guy. As you can see, he is disguised as the Blue Ranger. Love this paint they did to the eyes with the black and the red in there. Nicely done Triceratops parts. Little yellow for the eyeball there. Undershoot's white. The gold is really well done. It's got the strap that I think... Okay, yeah, that pegs in right there. It's kind of nice. Turtle shell looks really good. Love these little gold bands. This looks like it's a little bit kind of sloppy on the diamond pattern on the arms, and the paint doesn't really match the plastic color. Guess it's not quite as bad on camera, but you can sort of tell in real life. The morpher I think is done decently well. And going on down the body. See, the paint here looks a lot cleaner than it does up here. Guess that's because this is blue with the white painted, and this is white with the blue painted, so I guess it's easier. I don't know. It's got the ninja toes. Look at the back. Again, more gold. Get to the accessories in a second. So yeah, he looks really, really good. Now, for the accessories, you do get a Leo head. Doesn't look bad. Painted pretty well. Haven't actually swapped them out yet, so let's do that now. It goes on there pretty well. And then you can have him holding his helmet or anything like that that you want him to do. It doesn't look bad. Then you saw the one sword. He comes with another one. And both done pretty much exactly the same. Got the Ranger coin there. Looks like it's cast in the blue plastic with silver paint for the blade and the hilt part here. Pretty well done. I like it. It also comes with this lightning effect that you can just kind of feed the sword through. And then dude's ready to go. Leave that in there for a second. Now for hands, he's got vertically hinged, grippy hands on him in the package. He also comes with a set of fists. All of them have the 3 fingers. This way he can throw down when he really needs to. And then he's got a set of kind of martial artsy hands. And then the biggest accessory he comes with, he gets a whole nother figure. This is Donatello disguised as the Black Ranger. Looks really good as well. Not bad for a throw-in accessory, you know. You get your Donatello head with the goggles, full bandana. And then the accessory comes with even more accessories. He also gets a pair of fists. And he falls down. Ooh, And he gets a pair of martial artsy style posy hands. Plus the axe, which is really well done. Lots of color on it. And he gets a effect piece for the longer axe, extended to make it look like his bow staff, which is pretty cool. Yeah, I love how they put so much love into an accessory for Leonardo. Now, as far as articulation goes, we'll leave that sword in there for right now. Head looks up a little bit, down a little bit. You do get your right and left rotation. A little bit of wiggle. The neck moves too to give you a little bit more kind of wiggle on there. He's got butterfly joint, which does not want to move right now. It moves a little bit. And the arms go up pretty high, all the way around. You can kind of shift up and down in that shoulder joint too. You do get bicep swivel, double elbows and no pins, which is kind of cool. And these hands hinge up and down. The other ones hinge in and out. And then rotation there. Now, torso is kind of weird, of course, because it's a turtle. So it looks like he does have the Power Rangers ab crunch and diaphragm joint, but you can't really get to it because of the shell. And it does twist. You can kind of get them crunching a little bit. So yeah, I mean, like I said, it's a turtle. Can't expect them to be super agile in the midsection. The hips do have that G.I. Joe kind of drop down to them, which will get you that far forward, a little bit back, a little bit out. You got your thigh swivel. And double knee goes all the way up. Got your boot cut. Ankles go back that far. Forward that far. Rock side to side. Can he do ninja kicks since he is a ninja? Let's see if we can get him to balance. There you go. Balance for a second. Get him straightened up. Now for comparison, we've got a few other Leonardos to take a look at. This is the remake of the vintage, not the vintage one. I think these came out last year. Got that. And you got a vintage Sewer Samurai Leo. Hoping to get the Super 7 of that one soon, because that's one of my favorite designs of the best turtle. And we've got the NECA movie Leonardo. And the Super 7 Leonardo. So a little bit shorter than them, but they're different scales, so that kind of makes sense. So yeah, overall, I'd say if you are a fan of Ninja Turtles or Power Rangers, or especially if you're a fan of both, this set is definitely well worth picking up. Pretty good amount of accessories, pretty good detail, and they're just a whole mess of fun. Swords don't quite grip super duper well, but you can still get them going. And get them in a little something. But yeah, like I said, if you can get it for a good price, I definitely suggest picking it up, especially if, like I said, you're a fan of TMNT and Power Rangers. And as always, thanks for watching. Thanks for checking out the channel. Hope y'all come back and visit us again. And as always, have a wonderful night.